tukigira haria hetagwo agutiriha omo. A very lovely Kimori this morning. Professor is brilliant and articulate. Noa Jido ucio ngena nake akauga rucini rwega Kimori. Twacokia ngatho muno geithia professor ari mwarimu wakwa wa history na ndrakena ni kuigua ate history yo aratuhe ni iria andu aingi matoi. Good morning Kimori. No twende muongongerere mathaa to professor atuheage uhoro na mumurehage kaingi ni nyingi muno ndu gwiciria ni makunyoteire muno ngatho nyingi
jabaira tondu njega tutinahotana no wega ukajust gwiciria kiumia giukite o tumare mehariria no uke o ringi tutware andu maundu maria no hito twerekeire gutiri ha professor taturutia ha muyu wa gatatu riu ningi niguoka netwo dictator na kethitheru riu juguma ne anyita na no igwa rwimbo riu niguo rwaina ati fimbo ya nya riu niguoka multi party na riu ginya candidate wake ne aregwa 2002 tatutware muyu ucio ri ni Moi reformer. Moi tofauti yake na Siad Barre wa Somalia, Mobutu Sese Seko wa Zaire, kana Juvenal Habyarimana wa Rwanda, kana mundu gwitwo Numeri wa kuria Sudan, yari imwe.
Idi Amin
na Idi Amin ni heririo, so Idi Amin makomera thikimwe na Moi. Idi Amin makorwo na Bokassa.
Ule wale agadu
ya Bokassa, Idi Amin, Samuel Doe, yo ne group yo. No Moi had some elder citizens. Mugabe was later. No Mugabe dakinyire. Mugabe was in a different category. Mario rainio. No adwala metago male pillars are west in Africa. Had their Cold War, but I give my support on west. But Moi was different. So the Moi had grassroots. Had grassroots wisdom na ugi ogwara manyitirirwo ni thirikari cia nja they all collapsed cia Dibale na mabũrũri mao magi collapse. But Moi was clever. Had to take his country to war. He decided to give in to pressure. Akiuhiga kiroga mbere yake ya mwaki haria mbere ya mwaki
akiambia Bushio kana nili
ithe wa George Bush senior na nigetha ucoke uka Clinton na riu uguo Moi ugenda kumwika ati kumunyita na njira njega ni mundu wa reformer tondu etire the late George Saitoti akimwira tuguthondeka committee nigetha tuigue fiu uria Kenyans maroiga the Saitoti committee igithiuruka bururi ikiuga na andu makiuga unanimously turenda ciama nyingi waigua na George Saitoti ukakira Moi turenda ciama nyingi
multi party
uguo kano yaku ri ikara nayo no ithui turekererie twike atia tukorwo na citu. Moi did not say no. Andu aingi ni muigaga ni mukore nguo ciara ni mburiga multi party ni mugwikwa atia. Moi as a person repealed section 2A tondu no andu metagia particularly hindi ria onire aikia matibanjia na aikia theine aikia rubia theine aikia ria ngetheine akiona when an animal begin to eat its own it's also going out tu akirekereria rubia na matiba
ni akuma kana egucoka kuma thutha
ekuma thutha no well ekuma within the same period no kibkia kiuma ri Moi ni hingurite bururi yeah tondu it is October 1991. That was the most dramatic. 1990, there was a Kasarani area Kano etanire to receive the Saitoti committee report. Area yogirio guo no gituika hashed. But to andu makimenya what was the content. Na kiario muno magatheti ni hindi yo. Gicoka 1991 October agita jeshi agita togorio thea bururi makanitha othe magioka parliament kuria kiria nake na kano yake othe magikara hau akiuga we are entering a new Kenya tutoe na ne detekira tuingie Kenya riko iyo kuma umuthi ne tukuri repeal section 2A nitugwitikiria ciama nyingi na bunge no tutirikoragwo turi kano turikoragwo turi aingi. And true to the word, after 1992 KANU was about to be a minority party. Tondu for the Kenya for the Neoka niguo ciama nyingi for Dasiri na ndu ciothe. Na Moi bravely fought the 1992 election as a Democrat. Issue cia rigging is immaterial. He submitted himself to competition from a dictator to a Democrat. That was revolutionary. Na andu matimiroraga guo. Tondu in Somalia, Siad Barre preferred to mobilize his clan to fit other clans. Up to date, Somalia has never healed. He decided to arm the Marehan. Ore moya gya American regime. Shoot their way into the city, but then what would have happened? That's what the others did. Yeah?
They learned from Moi. Kara Nyerere nake alitikira ciama nyingiri.
Nyerere matikira thutha wa Moi. Moi is the one who encouraged the future leaders that you can really allow multi-party and survive as a leader.
So ni kwa kakanu yakwa
ciama nyingi.
Hema ciana nyingi no guthii na mbere na leadership. So we began to see Mugabe na aria angĩ othe makihingũra their countries allowing multi-party, but some staying, others takauda makarus. But then that's how Moi survived. By 1997, there were issues here about crashes here and there, but still we moved on. Tukigia na idea ati no uhotwo na witikie nduhotetwo, no tondu ni democracy witikie ni wahotwo weterere kahinda kau kangi. So Moi Kibaki was said to have won the 1997 election. Akirwo ni Museveni na aria angi, your time will come. Akihorera agituika leader of opposition na akihe Moi kahinda ga gwathana 2002 akirugama ringi agithurwo. That was a major lesson learned by our democracy, that democracy is not about whether you have won or you have not won. If you are declared a winner, give the other the chance to rule, because you always have your chance. Tondu democracy is not about absolute victory. It's a competition.
Yes.
Na how no lesson ile Moi atuthomithirie. He took us through his own examples and through his own struggles, through the multi-party era, where many other countries failed. I don't remember any country in Africa except Kenya that continued with what we started in 1963 all the way up to date. Totire to postpone githurano na kimwe. You can talk about nikirari to ke nikirairo gikitina iyo.
No ithurano ciokaga riria ciagireire.
Riria ciavangwo.
Yes, so as a Kenyan, unless kugie na irurume kana ithingithia kana thi no herokere, ni ndiramenya 2037 tugakona githurano. That I know. Tondu 1963 twena githurano. 1969 twena githurano.
Miaka 50.
Yes, every time we will have an election. That is essentially it. Tondu if you have the right to put those who govern over you in power, if you are prevented, you have a chance to say no. It is not like Udo Tetereide. So that is Moi's greatest legacy. Legacy of democracy by contradiction and by paradox. No, it is he had the right instincts. The right instinct is power comes from the people. And Moi would always say that power comes from the people. Nikia mobilize te kano yake. It mobilize popular opinion. Nikia other na
wedwado.
Or that no minority.
So he had the right instinct. The right instinct for a Democrat is that power stems from the people. Itumangana kuria kamo koji. Na kuria kiria mekiretine. Power stems from the people. And Moi knew from that beginning. Yes. No tugitiri hari. Tuiga tiriri. The man, Moi the man, is essentially the quintessential citizen. Quintessential citizen todo ona hoto quintessential ni ati duli citizen yogyo na mwega gukira ucio. Meaning ati example ya citizen todo moyo na hoto 2002 era power na candidate wake ahotwo. He did not give up. He encouraged his candidate to fight more, and he won. In the next
10 years
later, he won the election, and Moi was happy. Then Moi himself did not stop there. He went commenting. Wakorwo daroya microphone arie, Mon would said Lijiro, I issue press statement. on any important agenda.
Kugo no araiguika.
Yes, that Koigueka, he commented, he put his voice to every important agenda on the nation until he breathed his last. That Moi, a quintessential, the necessary citizen that we need.
Mo Kenya. Oria tutakona rigi.
Yes. Tutakona rigi. Ndege muno professor na jega tukwe professor assignment yemwe. Ogyoya bicha ya andu aria mari anak. Matahitite jega. NK na LDP. Ucoke woe bicha yo mari kiekuya thirikari. Ona rangi no acenjiri. Ugatwira kiuria giki. Ati Moi ahuraga andu atondu ti bururi mendaga guteithia ni giti giake mendaga na ne hauga ati twaga nyoga na maya yake inyu ni giti giakwa mwira fatana kio ti muingi hihi ni kio ahura nguciria ni goka gutwira ni kigera githira beno twacoke muno ngatho muno professor Peter Kagwanja na no tokole gikundi kia Africa Policy Institute no murathi na bena gutara thirikari cia Africa
no ndathomithia University of Nairobi
no urathomithia
Institute of Diplomacy and International Studies no ndathomithia
tugituhe scholarship
ciekuo taru twina kirathi kinene muno kia PhD 40 students.
Okay. Tutwacokia ngatho tukorwo na Drumeni
Drumeni hoi-inĩ wa ũmũthĩ nĩ tũkorwo twĩna mũthuriti professor Ngugi wa Njoroge nĩ tũkorwo twĩna mũthuri mũrata witũ Mheshimiwa Koigua Mwere na tũkorwo na PC Joseph Kaguthi. O ũguo tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kũririkana makinya ma Moi. Aya nĩ athuri makoretwo me hakuhĩ na Moi muno matuhe meciria ma mũthuri ũcio nginya rĩu haha arahurũkire. Wendi wake wa bũrũri ũrakoragwo wĩ ũrĩkũ? Mũtirie thayũ mũngĩrori magũkumia nake Jehova Ngai amũrathime. Kenya,